Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can create games with the help of Scratch. Scratch is the world's largest free coding community for kids. So let me show you what I'm gonna do in this video. So this is the game. This is the Pong game that I have created using Scratch. As you can see, the score is also being updated. You can see this. So in this tutorial I will discuss how you can create this type of game using Scratch. So you can see. So let's start. I will create this game with the help of Scratch. So go to the file, go to this website scratch.mit.edu. You can also download the software of Scratch. So let me show you. So go to the file and click on new. So when you click on new, you will see by default this window. Okay, so in this for now I will delete this part. So let me delete this sprite. Okay. Now you can see there are two options. So one is the stage option and one is the sprite option. So sprite is the object in the Scratch. So I will create a one sprite. I will create a one ball. I will create a ball. So I will click here, choose a sprite, and here I will, you can see there are by default so many sprites available. So I will choose a ball. So click on ball. So when you click on ball, you will see a ball. You can customize this ball. So go to the costumes. So go to the costumes and you can change the color of the ball. So you can change its color from here. If you want to change the color of the ball, you can change. You can change the color of the ball. Okay, you can like this. You can change its color. Okay, fine, perfect. So I have changed the color of the ball. Now go to the code. Now I will explain how you can write its coding so that ball moves in all directions. So what I'm gonna do, click on go to the control, and here click on here, drag this block. So drag this block forever, and in the forever go to the motion and move, put this box inside this. So move, let's say 15 steps. Okay, fine. And go to the events. So when clicked it will move 15 steps forever. And go to the sensing. Okay, and here I will, let me search okay, go to the motion. Yeah, I want to find this if on edge bounce. So click here, if on edge bounce, drag this block to here. So let me show you the output first. What will be the effect of this code? Click on the event button and you can see ball is moving. You can see ball is moving 15 steps. So what I can do, I can change the direction of the ball. So I will drag this block and I will keep this block here and point in direction, let's say 45 degree. And now when I restart this, you can see the ball is moving 45 degree. Okay, and if on edge, and when it ball strikes on the edge, it is bouncing back, you can see. So far I have created a ball that is first of all, when clicked, pointing in direction 45 degree, and forever it is moving 15 steps, and if on edge, the ball is bouncing perfectly. So okay, so now what I will do, I will create a another object. So go to the sprite, and now I will select let me check let me find the suitable object. Yeah, I will select this pedal. So when I click on pedal, just wait. Okay, I will search here, so pedal, and I will double click on the object pedal. Oh, okay, so this is the pedal. I will keep this pedal here, and I will choose another sprite, line. So line, yeah, perfect. So I will click on line sprite. Just wait while it is being added to my game. So I will keep this sprite here, and on the top of the line I have created one pedal. Now I will customize this pedal. So go to the costumes, and here I will increase its size. I will increase the size of the pedal. I will increase, and I will change the color also. So you can choose any color, so blue color, and outline is like this one. So this is the pedal that I have created. You can keep this pedal on the line. Okay, now go to the code, and I will write the code for this pedal. So let me write the code. So okay, go to the control. So I will select this forever. Okay, so and when clicked, so go to the events. So when clicked forever, I will change its position. So set x to, so here set x to, and here I will select just wait, let me find. Yeah, here here it is, set X to mouse X. So what will be the result when I click here? And you can see this pedal that I have written the coding is moving in the direction of the mouse. So if I am moving the mouse in this direction, the pedal is also moving in this direction, because I have set the X to mouse X, and you can see, so the pedal is also moving. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, so I will go to the ball, and now I will write another coding. So now what I will do, I will check whether ball touches this or not, and what if the ball touches this pedal, then I will write the code. So go to the events again, when clicked, so when clicked, and again control forever. What I will do, I will check the, I will use control, and I will use this if, and on in the sensing I will select touching, so I will use this here. So let me show you. So when the ball clicked, and forever if it is touching the pedal. So if the ball is touching pedal, then what I will do, I will turn the ball, I will turn the ball 180 degree. Fine. And okay, fine. And what I will do, I will move the ball 15 steps. Okay, so what will happen, let's check. So stop it, and again, now see when the ball is touching, this pedal. Okay, see, this coding means if on edge bounce, if it means if the ball is striking on the edge, then the ball is bouncing. And here in this coding, if the ball is touching the pedal, then the ball is turning 180 degree. Okay, now what I will do, I will create one variable here. So go to the variable and click on here, make a variable. So make a variable, and you can give any name. So variable name you can write, let's say variable name is score. So click on OK, and when the ball is touching the pedal, I will increase the score. So go to this, so change score by 1, and now see the coding. So when the ball is touching the pedal, score is increasing, as you can see here, score is increasing when the ball is touching the pedal, and when the ball is touching the line, score is not increasing. I will do the coding later, but when the ball is touching the pedal, you can see the score is increasing. Okay, so next what I will do, what we can do, I will write the coding of the line. So go to the line, and here what I will do, Again go to the events. So when clicked, again go to the control forever, and again I will use if. So go to the control if and sensing touching. So here, and here I will select ball. So see, I am writing the coding for a line sprite. So if the line is touching the ball, you can see I am writing the coding for the line, and if the line is touching the ball, you can see what I will do. I will stop it. I will stop the ball. So for that I need to find stop. So let me search in all the controls. So where is the stop? So let me find one by one. Yeah, you can see stop. So go to the stop, and here stop all. And now again I will restart this event, and you can see when the ball is touching the pedal, the score is increasing, but when the ball is touching the line, it has stopped. So stop also. All the events will be stopped when the line is touching the ball, because it is the coding for the line sprite, and when the line is touching the ball, I have written stop also. All will be stopped. Okay, now what we can do, we can again go to the coding of the ball, and here again I will write another coding. So when clicked, so go to the control. Okay, first of all go to the events. So when clicked, so when clicked, now what I will do, I will set the score to 0. So because I want to reset the score every time to 0. So when clicked, go to the variables and set score to 0. Okay, fine. So, and now what I am gonna discuss is the stages, backdrops. So you can add multiple backdrops, multiple stages here. For example, go to the backdrop and you will see different backdrops here. Okay, so you can just click on the there are two options, sprites, and another option is backdrop. So just click on the backdrop, and then you will be able to add multiple backgrounds to your scratch game. So randomly just click any two. So for example, I will select this. So its name is let's say I will add this architect backdrop, and I will add another backdrop. Anything you can add. I will add this, and I will add this backdrop. So see, you can see I have different backdrops. I have different backdrops in my game. So how to change the backdrops? Now next I will discuss this. So when clicked, so first of all when clicked, I will change the backdrop. So fine, let me go to the motion, and let me go to the looks, and here you can see switch backdrop. So when clicked, switch backdrop to, you can select anyone, a switch backdrop to, let's say Arctic. Okay, and now what I will see, I will write if the score is greater than 2. Okay, so go to the variable and drag it here, and go to the control, and let me find wait until. Okay, fine. So wait until and go to the operator. Okay, it is fine, and select score here. So wait until score is greater than 3, and when the score is greater than 3, go to the looks and select next backdrop. Very easy. Okay, and again repeat this code. So let me duplicate it, and here it is. Okay, and see the coding, and wait until score is greater than 3. I will select next backdrop, and wait until score is greater than, let's say, 6. I will select next backdrop, and you can add multiple backdrops. Okay, now let me show you the coding. Stop and start. Okay, you can see, so when the ball is hitting the red line, the game score is 0, the ball is not moving. Let again go start the game, and you can see the score is being updated. And when, again let me show you the output, you can see when the ball is hitting the red line, the ball is stopping, and again 1, score 2, score 3, score is more than 4, the backdrop is changed, the stage is changed. The score is more than 7, the stage is changed. And when the ball is hitting the red line, the score is stopped, the game is stopped. And it's just because of when I click, you can see the backdrop is architect, and I have set the score to 0, and when the score is greater than 3, I am selecting the next backdrop, and when the score is greater than 6, I am selecting the next backdrop. So this way it is working, you can see. So when the score is greater than 4, the backdrop, you can see the backdrop has been changed. So that's all for this lecture. I hope you have learned how you can create a simple basic game in Scratch. So try some more options. There are so many options available. You can try different sprites, you can try different stages, and if you try different things, you will learn more. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.